In this video, we will learn about the basic function of a water-cooled chiller plant. A water-cooled chiller plant consists of 5 main components: a water-cooled chiller, a condenser water pump, a chilled water pump, a cooling tower, and an AHU. If you want to understand the refrigeration cycle and how refrigerant gas is charged in an air conditioner in detail with the help of animations, the link is given in the description, or you can click above to watch it. The chiller has 2 main parts: the evaporator and the condenser. The AHU and the chilled water pump are connected to the evaporator, while the cooling tower and the condenser water pump are connected to the condenser. Both the chilled water pump and the condenser water pump supply water to the AHU and the cooling tower. The function of the system is to use the water from the chiller's evaporator to supply cool air properly into the room. The cooling tower reduces the temperature of the water coming from the condenser and sends it back to the condenser. Now let's look at the basic working process. The cooling tower and the condenser water pump are connected to the chiller's condenser. The AHU and the chilled water pump are connected to the chiller's evaporator. The condenser water pump sends water from the condenser to the cooling tower. The temperature of the water entering the cooling tower is 35 degrees Celsius. The cooling tower reduces the water temperature and releases it at 30 degrees Celsius. This process continues continuously. The chilled water pump sends water from the evaporator to the AHU. The temperature of the water going into the AHU is 6 degrees Celsius. The AHU absorbs the cooling property of the water and releases the water at a temperature of 12 degrees Celsius. Then this water goes back to the evaporator, gets cooled again, and returns to the AHU. This is the basic principle of a water-cooled chiller. We will discuss each of these components in detail in our next video.